As the name suggests, acid rain is a type of rain which has acidic components along with the water molecules. It is caused by the mixture of sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxides to the water, which will in turn form acids. In the case of sulfur, it forms sulfuric acid, and in the case of nitrogen, it forms nitric acid. Acid rain can have an adverse impact on the living organisms. For example, in marine animals would stay in a narrow pH range. If the pH of the water goes below the range, all the organisms can die. Also, acid rain can corrode statues. pH of the soil is around usually 7, and in the case of acid rain, the pH can go down and there arises problem while growing different types of crops. pH of the soil can vary when we use fertilizers as well, as they are basic in nature. There is an application of pH in our body as well. In stomach, hydrochloric acid is produced to digest the food, and in the case of indigestion, excess hydrochloric acid will be produced, which will cause irritation and pain in our stomach. This can be cured by using antacids like milk of magnesia, which neutralizes the acid and reduces irritation. And another application of pH is in the tooth decay. Teeth are made up of calcium phosphate, which is the strongest material in our body. It starts corroding when the pH of the mouth goes below 5.5. The bacteria breaks down sugar, which forms acids in your mouth, and if you don't clean regularly, there are chances of tooth decay. The toothpaste that we use is basic in nature, which will neutralize the acid formed on the teeth. Application of pH can also be seen in chemical warfare used by bee sting and nettle leaves. When honey bee stings, it injects acid onto your skin, which causes pain and irritation. In the case of nettle leaves, methanoic acid is injected into our skin, the part where we touch the leaves, which causes irritation. The remedy for this irritation would be to apply some basic solution onto the part where this acid is injected. An example of this is the dog plant leaves. When rubbed against the part, it will ease the irritation.